Welcome to Miniverse AI training video series. In this tutorial we are going to show you how to use AI prompt engine in Miniverse AI. Go to the left menu and click on AI prompt engine. Now you are on AI prompt engine page. Here you can generate viral, high-converting prompts tailored for miniature videos and images. Just add your idea or you can try quick example ideas also. Visual style. Click on Generate Prompt and your prompt will be generated. You can copy or download the prompt. Thanks for watching the video.